Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The book's philosophy. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, published in 1997, is Robert T. Kiyosaki's best-selling book that explores the differences in mindset and financial strategies between his two dads. Kiyosaki's biological father, whom he refers to as his poor dad, was a highly educated man with a stable government job, but struggled financially throughout his life. In contrast, his best friend's father, the rich dad, had little formal education, but became a successful entrepreneur and amassed significant wealth. Through the experiences and lessons learned from these two father figures, Kiyosaki conveys powerful messages about financial literacy, the importance of investing, and the need to cultivate a different mindset to achieve financial freedom. The book challenges traditional views about money and advocates for a shift in thinking to achieve financial success. Key lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The importance of financial education. One of the central themes of the book is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that traditional schooling focuses on academic and professional skills, but does not teach people how to manage money effectively. The poor dad followed the conventional path of getting a good education, working hard, and seeking job security. However, despite his intelligence and dedication, he struggled financially because he lacked the financial knowledge needed to build wealth. On the other hand, the rich dad emphasized the need to learn about money and develop financial intelligence. He taught Kiyosaki that understanding how money works, knowing how to invest, manage assets, and leverage opportunities is more important than simply earning a paycheck. Kiyosaki encourages readers to educate themselves about finance, whether through books, seminars, or real-world experience, in order to take control of their financial future. The difference between assets and liabilities. One of the most fundamental lessons in the book is the distinction between assets and liabilities. According to Kiyosaki, financial success depends on the ability to acquire assets and minimize liabilities. Assets. These are things that put money in your pocket. Examples include stocks, bonds, real estate investments, and businesses that generate income. Assets work for you, generating cash flow and increasing your wealth over time. Liabilities. These are things that take money out of your pocket. Common liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, and any other financial obligations that require regular payments. While some liabilities, like a home mortgage, might be considered good debt by conventional standards, Kiyosaki challenges this idea, emphasizing that liabilities drain resources and do not contribute to long-term wealth. Kiyosaki's poor dad believed that owning a home was the ultimate investment, but his rich dad taught him that a home is a liability unless it generates income, e.g., rental property. The key to building wealth, according to Kiyosaki, is to focus on acquiring income-generating assets and avoiding liabilities that limit your financial growth. Mindset shift. Work to learn, not to earn. Kiyosaki encourages readers to shift their mindset from working for money to having money work for them. Many people, like the poor dad, focus on earning a steady paycheck and securing job stability. However, this approach often leads to a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, with little opportunity for financial growth. The rich dad advised Kiyosaki to work to learn, not just to earn. This means that instead of chasing jobs solely for the paycheck, individuals should focus on gaining skills and experiences that will help them build wealth in the long run. For example, learning about sales, marketing, accounting, and investing can provide valuable knowledge that contributes to financial independence. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of entrepreneurship. While not everyone needs to start their own business, cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset where you seek opportunities to create value and generate income beyond a traditional salary can be key to financial success. The rat race. Escaping the cycle of working for money. A significant concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the rat race, a cycle in which people work hard, earn money, and then spend that money on expenses and liabilities, leaving them with little or no savings. This cycle repeats month after month, with people trapped in jobs they may not enjoy, just to cover their bills. The rat race is particularly dangerous because it can prevent people from building wealth. Kiyosaki argues that the only way to escape the rat race is to stop working solely for money and instead start making money work for you. This requires investing in assets, that generate passive income, which can eventually replace the need for a paycheck. The goal, according to Kiyosaki, is to achieve financial freedom, where your assets generate enough income to cover your living expenses, allowing you to break free from the rat race and live life on your own terms. The power of passive income. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of passive income as a key to financial independence. Passive income is money earned with little or no effort on the part of the recipient. This includes income from investments, real estate, royalties, and other sources that continue to generate revenue without requiring active work. Unlike earned income, which is dependent on your time and effort, such as a salary or hourly wage, passive income allows you to make money while focusing on other activities. This creates financial flexibility and opens up opportunities for further investment or pursuing passions without the constraint of needing a traditional job. By building multiple streams of passive income, Kiyosaki suggests that individuals can achieve financial freedom faster and with less stress. Instead of relying solely on a paycheck, you're creating a financial system where your money works for you. Overcoming fear and taking action. A major barrier to financial success, according to Kiyosaki, is fear. Many people are afraid of taking risks, making mistakes, or losing money, which keeps them stuck in the rat race. However, Kiyosaki believes that failure is a crucial part of learning and growing, and that taking calculated risks is essential for building wealth. The fear of losing money often prevents people from investing or pursuing opportunities that could improve their financial situation. Kiyosaki's rich dad taught him to see failures and setbacks as learning experiences rather than reasons to give up. By overcoming fear and taking action, individuals can start building wealth and moving toward financial freedom. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of perseverance. Success does not come overnight, and the road to financial independence can be challenging. However, those who stay committed to their goals and continue learning from their mistakes will eventually see the rewards of their efforts. The power of taking control of your finances. At the heart of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the idea that you are responsible for your financial future. Many people blame external factors such as the economy, their job, or their upbringing for their financial struggles. However, Kiyosaki argues that taking control of your finances is the first step toward achieving financial freedom. This means being proactive about managing your money, continuously educating yourself, and making deliberate choices about how you spend, save, and invest. Kiyosaki stresses that financial freedom does not happen by accident. It requires planning, discipline, and a willingness to take control of your financial situation. His message is clear. Financial freedom is attainable, but it requires education, discipline, and a willingness to take risks. By understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, building passive income, embracing entrepreneurship, and continuously educating yourself, you can break free from the rat race